Hello friends, today we will see another part of the chapter, right? That is chemistry of carbides of group 1 and group 2 element series, right? Then what is carbide? Carbides are those compounds in which carbon reacts with some metals with more electropositive. Okay, the binary compounds of carbon in which carbon reacts with more electropositive metals are called carbides, right? Then see here, carbides are given. Carbon is non-metal, definitely it will react with metal. 2 lithium plus 2 carbon will give Li2C2, lithium carbide. Similarly, sodium will react with acetylene, C2H2, and will produce NaHC2, and further on heating it will produce Na2C2, sodium carbide. Similarly, metals like potassium, rubidium, cesium reacts with graphite, right? Graphite is made up of carbon only. What is graphite? You have seen graphite rod na in battery cell. With graphite to form highly colored interstitial carbide, right? Means potassium, rubidium, cesium, it will occupy the interstitial position of graphite right now. Now reactions of carbide we will study. Carbide reacts with water to give ethine, means acetylene. Na2C2 plus 2H2O, it will give 2NaOH plus C2H2. Similarly, calcium carbide on heating with metallic oxide or halide, carbides are obtained. See, calcium carbide plus MgO. Yes, magnesium oxide. Magnesium carbide is obtained. Similarly, calcium carbide on treatment with magnesium fluoride, magnesium carbide will obtain and calcium fluoride will form. In solid state, carbides are non-conductor of electricity, but in liquid it may conduct electricity, right? Now next, about nitrides of group 1 and group 2. Nitrides means nitrogen forms binary compound with element similar or less electronegative or more electropositive. See, group 1 means hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, right? Now francium. And group 2, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, right? Now so group 2 means first two series in the periodic table. Say lithium is only alkali metal form nitrides. 6 Li plus N2 gives 2 Li3N. Second, all alkaline earth metals means group 2 metals form nitrides. Magnesium plus N2 gives Mg3N2. By heating amides and imides, see barium amide, it will also form barium nitride plus 4NH3. Calcium amide, C3Ca NH2 twice gives Ca3N2 plus 4NH3, right? Now chemical reactions, nitrides react with water and undergo hydrolysis to produce ammonia and metal hydroxide. Say magnesium nitride is taken on treatment with 6 water molecules, it will give MgOH twice plus 2NH3. Second, magnesium nitride decomposes on at 270 degree Celsius, right? Now Now third, we will see hydrides. Hydrides means proton we know H plus. Hydride means H minus. Right? Then hydride of group 2, group 1 and group 2. First we will see group 1. Binary compounds of hydrogen are known as hydrides. Alkali metals react with H2 at about 673 Kelvin to form hydride. 2m plus H2 gives 2mH. M means LiKRbNa, lithium, potassium, rubidium, sodium. These ionic hydrides are solid and are thermally stable, have high melting and boiling point, soluble in water. Now see the reactions. With water they produce base NaH plus H2O gives NaOH plus H2. With HCl it will give NaH. See, NaH plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2, and with alcohol C2H5OH plus NaH. Sodium hydride will give sodium ethoxide plus H2. Now group 2. Alkali metal hydrides have general formula. Alkaline metal hydride have general formula BeCl2 plus LiAlH4 C 2BeH2 plus LiCl plus AlCl3. M plus H2 gives MH2. Okay, now reactions of hydrides with water. Calcium hydride plus 2H2 gives calcium hydroxide. Barium hydride on treatment with water gives barium hydroxide. On treatment with acid HCl it will give calcium chloride, right now. And with alcohol it will give calcium ethoxide. Okay, then today we saw carbides, nitrides and hydrides of group 1 and group 2. Okay, then today we stops here.